Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. So let's see how we can upgrade or install Windows 11 on any PC. So I'm on download Windows 11 page of Microsoft. So here you can see it says there are three options. So first one is Windows 11 installation assistant, and we can also create a Windows 11 installation media, bootable media, and you can boot your PC or laptop using that media. And third one is you can download ISO image and burn it on your, or make a bootable USB bootable using ISO and boot your PC. So let's download this Windows 11 installation assistant and go through the settings. So it is downloaded, click on that, click on yes, and here accept agreements, license agreement, and install. It is going to download Windows 11 and install as well. So please back up your files, because if there is any issue you can at least have your important files. So at least back up your important files. Okay, step 1 out of 3. Step 1 is downloading. I'm going to skip my video and will back once download is complete. 98%, 99. So now it's on the second step, that is verifying download, so it will match the hash, and now it's installing. Just update the Windows, the files that is related to Windows, but still it is recommended to take backup of your files before upgrading your PC. Okay, so now you can see installation is complete, and the system is going to restart in 30 minutes, and 29 minutes is remaining. So let me restart my laptop and we'll see what happens. We'll be back once my laptop is started. Welcome back. After restarting my laptop, it asked for the password and then updated few things, and now the desktop is changed. So here you can see start menu is now in the center of your taskbar, and it's pretty good, and it feels like a MacBook. Theme is good, and we have multiple desktop. From here we can roam around to the multiple desktop. We have only taskbar setting. When we right click on the taskbar, and it's really cool. I really like the theme of Windows 11. So similar like Mac OS. This is how we upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and it is pretty simple and straightforward steps that you have to take. Just keep in mind that your notebook or laptop must meet the minimum requirement of Windows 11 that you can find it in Windows 11 specification requirement. That's it for this video. We will show you how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.